fix the screen first.
Together. So hungry.
Question number first. Anyone will send the answer to Ragini ma'am in the chat box. Okay? No one will speak and no one will send to me.
Sir, ma'am, only the first one.
Yes, just send me for the first one right now. We will do one by one.
Okay, ma'am.
All the three questions are based on the graph which is shown.
Mama. अच्छा 200 plus 150 and
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am, I sent the answer.
Okay, ma'am will check. Mr. Bedi, your answer is wrong.
Ma'am sent.
Okay. Yes, Kush, your answer is correct.
First one to get it correct.
Yes, Agu, your answer is also correct. Very good.
Ma'am sent.
Okay, ma'am will just check. Yes, Mahi, that's correct.
Ma'am, now I think it is good to do data handling.
It's very easy topic.
Yeah, it's a easy topic.
Few kids are still remaining. Ivy, your answer is wrong. Eva and Hope is left.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, and Hope?
Ma'am,
Mr. Hope?
I have also. Ma'am, I know the answer. Ma'am, I have also sent. Ma'am, I know the
Okay.
Can I
Correct
send the second
answer
one?
comes out to be
480.
480. Why? Because see, Sohan has 120. Yes. Karan has 200. And Priya has 160. We just need to do the sum of all these. Yes. So the correct answer comes out to be 480. Okay. Next. Question number 2.
Ma'am, question number 2 is really hard to understand. I have sent also.
Question 2 is hard to understand. Why?
No, ma'am.
Find the fraction of number of stickers owned by Amit to the number of stickers owned by Shruti. You need to find the stickers owned by Amit and by Shruti. Then you need to write it in the form of fraction.
It is so easy, Kushwant. Yes, Mr. It's so easy, seriously. Yes, it's super duper easy Mahabachcha question.
Yes.
How
Okay.
did Mahi
Mahi and
Okay,
Kushwan
quiet,
got
quiet,
it
quiet.
wrong.
No
I
problem.
think it will be a
Quiet, we will
quiz
discuss.
question. Mama said it again.
Eva and Ivy, you both are remaining. Eva, we are just waiting for your answer.
Mama has
Okay, so
Mama is not checking.
correct answer is 80 by 120.
Mama
Why?
said it again, but
See, because number of stickers of Amit are 80. Yes. And number of stickers of Shruti are 120. So you need to just write into fraction. So first Amit will come, then Shruti's stickers will come. So what does it becomes? 80 by 120. Yes? Anyone has any doubt?
no, ma'am. No, ma'am. But we can send B also because it is 120 and 80.
No, you cannot do that. Because see, what if the question? Find the fraction of number of stickers owned by Amit to the number of stickers owned by Shruti. First should be of Amit. Yes. Then it is said to the number of stickers owned by Shruti. So the numerator should be of Amit and the denominator should be of Shruti. Did you understand?
Okay.
Okay. Let's do next. Question number 3rd. So how many more sticker does Karan own
Mom said.
than Soham? It's very simple.
Mom sent.
Mama, I sent the answer.
Okay, okay, ma'am will just check and no one should get this wrong.
Yes, ma'am. It's such a bachcha question.
Very good. I found everyone's answer to be right till now.
Ma'am, then we will get a kidzo.
Yes, if all will get correct, we will get a kiddo.
इसको वेदी कह रहे हो कि हुए some kidzos.
Okay.
Only
Good.
Dr. Eva and Hope left. August 43.
Hope and Eva is left to answer.
Mama said.
Very, very good.
Hope. Please Hope get it correct. It is such a bachcha question. Then it will not be.
Very good. Everyone get this correct. So what's the correct answer?
80.
80.
That's good. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, now see. Wait, and see the question here. Let me reduce the size. Okay. Now see, read the question, everyone. You need to focus on question number 4. Okay. Now question says, there are dash more lotus than sunflowers in the garden. The diagram is here.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Yes, question is here. This is the question.
Ma'am, sent. This is the question.
Ma'am,
Can you show the graph?
ma'am, can you show the graph?
Everyone has seen the question?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Can you show the graph?
Okay. Yes, here is the graph.
How did Ivy get it wrong?
Yeah.
It is more lotus than.
Mm,
Ma'am, can you show the question, please? Yes,
Yes,
again.
for sure.
More lotus than sunflower.
Yes, you need to compare between lotus and sunflower. There are dash more lotus than sunflowers. So
Ma'am,
just
now-
focus on lotus and sunflowers only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
sent the answer.
Ma'am, I got it correct. Can I drink water?
Okay, sure.
Sir, ma'am, ma'am, I sent. But ma'am,
I will just check.
I sent the answer.
I have also.
Can I go?
Many of you are getting wrong answers.
Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?
Okay, let's see the question. What was the question?
There are
Go to the washroom.
dash more lotus than sunflowers in the garden. So they're asking how many more lotuses are there than sunflower. So now let's see. Lotus has 4 candles. Sunflower has 3 candles. So how many candle is more? 1 candle is more. And 1 candle means 3 flowers. So what should be the correct answer?
B.
B.
3.
Ma'am, we can write there are dash more lotus than sunflower in the garden. We can write in the notebook.
Yes. Everyone got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now again. Let's see question number 5. Okay. In question number 5, it is saying how many total flowers are there in the garden. Okay. So I am showing the graph now. They are asking simply how many total flowers are there in the garden. Okay.
Ma'am, which question?
You need to focus on this figure. And your question is, how many total flowers are there in this garden?
9, 10, 11, 12.
Ma'am, what do we have to do?
You need to tell me the total number of flowers in this garden.
Okay, ma'am.
I can write the question.
5,
also.
6, 7, 8, 9,
20,
4, 5,
21, 24,
7,
27,
8,
Okay, ma'am has written the question.
Ma'am, sent.
30, 33,
7,
36,
8,
39, 39, 41, 42, 42.
Everyone should calculate correctly. Question is easy.
Now I have sent the answer, ma'am is not checking.
Ma'am will check.
Mama, I have also sent.
Ma'am, I
have also sent.
I have also
Okay.
sent.
2 students get it right. Very good. Very, very
Ma'am,
good.
I was the first one to send. Ma'am is not checked yet. Please, Dr. Eva, get it correct. We will get a kid show.
Very good. That's correct. Easy. The correct answer was 42.
42.
Yes.
What is Nike
Okay.
doing here?
Let's move on to the next one. Okay. Next question is question number 6. You need to focus on question 6. And you need to look on this graph to answer this question. Okay?
Ma'am, can you just make the lines that the graphs are going to?
Yes.
No, don't annotate. Everyone will solve, no? So don't annotate on screen right now.
Ma'am, can you annotate? You
Oh,
make the lines.
yes, I can do for you that. Okay, now see. This one is here. Then the next comes to be here. Next comes here. Then it comes here. And this one basically comes here. Okay? Everyone can see nicely.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Till 5:36 till 5:40, can we get a break?
Sure, I will give a break.
Thank you. I'm the first one to get it correct, and nobody is sending.
Everyone will send. Let's wait.
I said
for
the answer.
Stars.
Okay, Nike has joined. He got the answer wrong.
I was just sent.
Mr. Bedi also got the answer wrong. Is the question not clear to you all?
No, ma'am, it is clear. Look, Ivy also got it correct. Mahi got it correct.
In the question, it has been said that how many means for which game we have the players less than 5 for the hockey. Suppose in hockey, we are having 17. Then, which game has 5 players less than hockey? So just look onto the graph.
Ma'am, it should be wrestling now.
Why you're speaking the answer right now? Everyone is doing no?
Ma'am, I sent D only.
Ma'am, I also said D only.
Ma'am, I also said D only.
But ma'am was not checking.
Huh?
Ma'am, Kidzu, 2 got it correct.
Ma'am,
Kidzu,
get the question.
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me what happened. What happened?
Ma'am, get the question.
What happened? See,
Ma'am, they're
what
saying
is the
Kidzu question.
read
Ma'am,
the question. They are saying 5 less people prefer hockey than. They are asking 5 less people prefer hockey than what?
Tennis.
Tennis.
Yes?
Kidzu question.
Ma'am, I think it should be D part.
Now it is
How it is B part?
Yes.
because
Hockey
when
five.
we
Then from that
when we do
minus 5, that
Because
we
when we subtract 5 from 22, the answer is
One by
17.
one. One by one. One by one.
Mama, I know what to do in this question because I got
Yes,
it.
Kushal. Okay, one by one.
Huh?
One by one. Otherwise, I will explain. Yes, Kushal, speak.
First we will plus hockey. First we will plus 5, then hockey it will come tennis. Then we have to minus 5 from tennis to get hockey. So the answer
Yes.
is tennis.
That's correct. Okay. Now, quiet everyone. I will explain. See, what's given? 5 less people prefer hockey than. They are asking that 5 less people prefer hockey than. Means how many number of people's less? Less than what? 5 prefer hockey. So try to understand. Hockey, how many people are there basically?
17.
17.
17. Yes. Now, we need to work that how many people less prefer than hockey. So, 5 comes here and that ultimately moves on to here. So, how many people, which game comes? Tennis.
I thought the middle one is 15. That's why I send the answer A.
No problem. Is it clear? Okay. Let's do the next question, which is question number 7. Now, read the question nicely. And
People like
for the 7th one, read it very, very nicely and then you will answer. Okay? Everyone.
Now what to do in question number 7? It is impossible.
Ma'am, can you draw the lines again?
Yeah, sure.
Now what to do in question number 7?
Let everyone try. Otherwise, I will explain then.
It's impossible.
Ma'am
How is it impossible if IB and Mr. B?
will question me
Quite,
get a
quite,
kidzo.
quite, quite. See, 4 students get it correct. So it does not mean that the question is impossible.
Mom sent.
Kushwant get it.
Wrong, and Hope also get it wrong.
No problem.
I didn't understand what to do.
You're getting the answer wrong. No need to worry. Few students are still left to answer.
Dr. Eva is left. Ma'am, I have said.
Ma'am, now explain, please.
Done, everyone? So what's the correct answer? Volleyball.
Volleyball.
Ma'am, I did a typing mistake.
Ma'am, can you?
Ma'am, I was going to send A, but I
Always
accidentally sent B.
can you?
Ma'am, I did a typing mistake.
No
Ma'am,
problem, no problem. Total number of people who like wrestling and the other game should be 17. So how many people like wrestling? If we see wrestling line 12, now 12 and now we need to make total 17. So what we will do basically 17 minus 12. So how many people like basically 5? That comes volleyball. So the correct answer is
Volleyball.
Volleyball?
okay. Let's do the next question.
Ma'am, after 4 minutes, we will get a break.
Yeah, sure. I will give you a break. Okay, let's
Of
focus
course.
on the next question. Next question is question number 8. Just focus on question number 8.
Ma'am, can you draw the lines again?
Yes,
How
yes.
many
I-
more people like volleyball?
Volleyball equals 42.
Oh, 5.
Ma'am,
Volleyball is 5. And
Read the question nicely, then answer.
hockey
Okay. Will answer like this.
is 17.
बच्चा question, ma'am. बच्चा question. बच्चा question.
Potato minus 1 starts here. Yeah. It is a bacha question.
I was the first one to get it correct. Everyone needs compassion. Everyone needs compassion. Everyone needs forgiveness. A kindness of a savior. The hope of nations. Everyone needs
Ma'am, I sent the answer.
Okay, only Mr. Bedi is left. Okay. Now, this was the easy question. What does the question says? How many more number of people like volleyball and hockey altogether than the number of people like archery? Okay, now say volleyball. How many number of people are there for volleyball? 5. For hockey, we have 17. So what is 5 plus 17? That becomes basically 22.
22.
And what's for archery? That's 20. So how many more number of people? 2. Yes?
Ma'am, we have to minus 22 minus 22 minus 20.
Yes. Clear with the question? Anyone has any doubt in any question?
No, ma'am.
Sure?
Ma'am.
Okay. Let's quickly take a 5 minutes break. Then we will start with the
Ma'am,
next.
Ma'am, I sent it.
Okay, okay. Ragini ma'am will check.
Mama, I didn't got a kidzo when me and Ivy got it correct. Sent.
I had already sent.
I have also already sent. Why does ma'am check first
Who was
again?
the first one? I was the second one.
Ma'am, check
Hey,
mine.
Don't make noise.
Hope was the third one.
Mama, not checking.
Silence.
Angry Nike was the fourth one. Mahi was the fifth one.
Very, very good.
Ma'am, I
was
sent
the
the
sixth one.
answer.
Quiet, quiet, quiet.
I'm not checking.
You
I
Ivy
was
was
the
the seventh
seventh
one.
one. Dr.
Okay,
Ivan
maybe
was
the
That was
the
the
eighth
eighth
one.
one.
Ma'am, Mr. Bidi get it correct.
Yes. Mr.
I'll send
Bedi,
it
if you get it
again.
correct, it will be a kids book
Yes.
question.
The correct answer is
4,000.
Very good.
4,000.
Next, you all can move to question number 10.
In which year maximum?
In which year maximum number of kites made?
Ma'am sent.
Ma'am sent.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
अच्छा question.
बच्चे questions है. Ma'am sent.
Ma'am second.
I have
Correct.
a lot of
Quiet,
time.
quiet, quiet. Otherwise, I will mute everyone. Quiet.
Why is ma'am not checking?
Sorry.
Only hope is left.
Very good. So, what's the correct answer?
2018.
2018.
Ma'am
Very
sent for the 11th one also.
Yes. Now 11.
Sent.
Total number of kites in 2016 and 17.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. All four. Next. Okay. Next. That's a bachua questions.
Yes. Now I have calculated.
This was not even one question.
Let's compare.
Only hope is left.
Yes, only hope is left.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Answer is I don't
Okay, you have
know.
sent. Ma'am will just check. You can speak the answer.
Ma'am, 900.
900?
900?
You don't have option, only 900?
900. Sorry, ma'am, 9,000. It is
It's okay.
9,000. 900 is not even in the option.
It's okay. It's okay. She said by mistake. That's quite okay.
90, 100 it can be.
Next. Question number
12.
12.
Which subject has
Which subject has
Ma'am, can you draw
maximum?
the lines?
Oh,
Ma'am
Ma'am,
sent.
can I go to the
Ma'am,
washroom?
quite. Yes, you can go.
Sent.
Sent.
Sent. Yay, second one to get it correct.
First one to get it. First one.
Ma'am,
Mr. Video second.
The total number of signs and
If everybody gets it correct, it 100% has to be a
Shiva is just left.
Ma'am, the science book it
No
is
problem.
given not there is not given any number only.
Computers. Yes?
Ma'am, in the science one there is no number only. And English one.
It's 22. In science, it will be 22. Because see, it's coming in between 20 and 24, no?
ma'am, can
So
we
it
do the
comes
13th one
as
answer 13 one question?
And in English, it will come 18. Okay? Now, next question number 13. Find the total number of science and maths books together.
Ma'am, send the answer.
Join the lines, please send the answer.
Ma'am, sent.
Okay, ma'am will just check.
Ma'am, I have also sent the answer.
Veera, did you get the 12th one correct?
How did Kushwant got it wrong?
How did Khushwant and Mahi get it wrong?
No,
That's impossible. Impossible.
Quiet. Everyone quiet.
excuse me, ma'am. By mistake, I did English.
Ma'am
Please.
did a spelling mistake.
Again.
Eva is left. Hope is left. Eva is not back. No problem. Hope is left.
Two child are left.
Two
Children are left.
children are
Okay. So what's the
Okay,
correct
now
answer? Correct answer is
32.
34.
See.
34. Yes.
Ma'am,
Because
mistake.
How it is
telling quiet.
impossible.
Quiet. Science books are 22 if you see. It is in between 20 and 24. So it is 22. And
Yes.
maths books are 12. So 22 plus 12 comes out to 34.
34.
34.
Yes.
Mistake.
Let's move on to the next question.
Mahi did a typing mistake.
Okay. Next. Question number 40.
The most popular car is I don't know. Ma'am,
Can you make the line?
sent.
Yes, I will make the lines.
This is 17.
Ma'am, I sent the answer.
That's very good.
This is 17.
Question 14 here.
B A.
It was the second
C.
one to get it correct. Mr. Bedi was the third one. Mahi was the fourth one.
I've made the line. The most popular car is?
Hope was the fifth one.
Don't speak. Don't speak.
Ma'am,
Everybody
everyone
got
can
it
correct
correct.
Very good.
That's
This
a
is
good question.
next. Question number 15. This is also easy, but make sure you do the calculation correctly.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is this written on the sign in hundreds?
Okay. It means that the cars are in hundreds. If it is written 2, it means 2 into 100.
Ma'am sent a bacha question. Do minutes. Ma'am, on
Yes.
14th September it is my birthday. It is about to come.
Oh, that's very good.
14th.
Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you.
Ma'am, on 5th September it is my birthday.
Happy birthday to you also in advance.
Sir, why did sir not come today?
He must be having some another class.
Well, it's my brother class.
Okay.
Ma'am, only Agu got it wrong so far.
Such a bacha.
I have also said.
Mahi, you said only Agu got it wrong, so fat.
Mai, send the answer.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Okay, so the correct answer is
I got it
say,
wrong, so fat.
because you sold cars 1200, S sold 1600. So 1600 minus 1200 becomes
400.
400.
Ma'am, I did the same thing.
or you can do
Ma'am,
another also that you can do 16 minus 12, which is 4, and then 4 into 100. So that also becomes 400.
Ma'am, I did a typing mistake.
No problem then. It's okay. If you did a typing mistake, then we can ignore. Okay, next question 16. Everyone focus on question number 16.
Now what to do in 16? It is RR. So what should we do? Ma'am, I didn't get the
Ma'am,
question.
can you make the lines?
For sure.
ma'am, can you make the lines?
Yes, yes, yes,
Please,
yes.
please.
It has to be P, Q or S for 16th.
I was the first one, I was the second one.
What to do in this question?
Kush, just say just send IDK.
Okay. Now my screen is lagging.
Mama?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm sent. CP.
Yes.
No, by mistake I made a comma. By mistake I made a comma.
No problem.
I can just reset it. Edit. And it is still wrong.
Three of you
I know
need
the
to answer.
answer. Can I send again?
No, in MCQ,
I know the
not
answer,
option
but,
to say again.
I know the answer.
Kush, you just had to send IDK.
Oh, then let me send ID.
Only hope is left.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Mama have sent already.
Okay. It's
Ma'am,
wrong.
can I speak the answer?
Yes.
Answer is D.
Yes, it's D.
Ma'am,
Because
can
see,
you explain?
no, wait, let me explain. Otherwise, you
Mama,
all.
I mistyped.
No problem. It is said she has to sell
Ma'am, I also you
car,
are my
car,
typing, but I know the answer.
quite. When I am explaining, no sound. She has to sell dash more car R so that the number of car R sold is as same as the car P sold. So how many car P sold? It was 1000.
100.
10
I need to
into
read
100.
the full question.
And R sold 400 right now. So how many more cars? 1000 minus 400. That's going to be
600.
600. So the correct answer is
Two.
Hello.
clear, everyone.
क्लास खत्म होती है ना.
Let's do the next question.
Question number 17.
No, we are
17.
leaving 17th because the diagram is on other page right now. So let's do question number 20. We are focusing on question number 20.
Mom sent.
Ma'am, can you draw the line?
For sure, I will draw the lines.
Ma'am, I sent. I have sent.
It's
First one to get
simple
it correct.
questions.
cannot कर रहे हो
Eh,
फ्रैक्शन नंबर लाइन पे कैसे करना है वो आपको आता ही नहीं है
इधर है, इधर भी
How many less children like to go for desert than mountains?
बहुत है, बहुत है, बहुत है, बहुत है, बहुत है, बहुत है, बहुत है। Ma'am, tomorrow is nothing. Tomorrow is my Raksha Bandhan test.
send the answer
Ma'am will just check.
नहीं,
जल्दी करो आप क्या कर रहे हो वहाँ?
मेरा हो चुका है ना।
मैंने कॉपी उसके अंदर डाली थी आपने निकाल के अलग बंद क्यों की है
क्या कौन सी?
जो आपके हाथ में है
भाई तो यहाँ पर ऐसी पड़ी हुई थी।
मैंने उसके अंदर डाली हुई थी कि कौन से पेज से
Shiva
मैंने
is
छुड़ाई
just
थी।
left to answer.
बोल दो तो आपको पता है कहाँ से।
Ma'am, I have sent.
Dr. Eva, please get it correct because it is a bacha question. Yay!
Good. Next, question number 21. Everyone read question 21 very nicely and then answer. They're asking, number of children like to go for dash is 3 times the number of children like to go for desert. Means for desert, if 2 children are going, so for what thing the 3 times of children are going?
Sent. And
So
answer
it's
sent.
very nicely and then answer for 21. I don't want
Sent,
anyone to
sent,
go wrong.
sent,
Okay?
sent. Because it is bacha question, bacha question, bacha question, question. Ma'am, please check. Please
Yes,
check
ma'am is
my
checking.
answers.
Very good. Everyone is getting correct till now.
Please, ma'am, check.
Hope you got it wrong.
Mama did a typing mistake.
Mama,
Mama,
Mahi, Bedi,
Ma'am.
Iba.
I typed A by mistake. I will not say the answer because then everybody will.
Yes.
ma'am I sent the answer
डिनर में क्या खाओगे
Mahir also got it wrong. How?
ma'am
Yes.
कौन सा
Kira. Kira चीज
Hope.
प्लीज
Okay. Correct answer is B. Yes.
प्लीज कुछ तो हेल्दी खा लो यार
खीरा चीज
Okay. Let's do the next question.
पीछे पीछे एक मिनट
The hope of nation.
Question number 22.
Ma'am, it is the last question. Ma'am, it is the last question.
Yes, this will be the last.
Ma'am, send. Send.
sent
Ma'am, check.
ma'am can one who got it correct leave
Wait. We will just end the class.
Ma'am.
ma'am those who
did
have
you
get it
read
correct
so?
can we leave
Okay.
Ma'am, I have sent.
they can leave.
Ma'am?
Okay.
Ragini ma'am didn't give me a kidzo when me and only Ivy got it correct.
No, she will. She will.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Good.
ma'am.
Very good. Everyone got this correct.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Have a good day. Enjoy.